Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? Oh, yes. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a craft, a DIY, a sign display thing. Today we're going to be making a coffee mug sign cup display travel mug. Today we're making a display, no. Today we're making a travel mug, Today we're making a coffee travel mug sign display. So, me and Jacob have been collecting these Starbucks travel mugs wherever we go recently. And we have quite a bit. And we want something to like display them on that's cute. And so that's what we're gonna be doing today. So, first off, we're gonna be painting this piece of wood white. This is just a semi-gloss paint. And we're gonna be adding some rose gold throughout. We are gonna be making it look like a bunch of pieces of wood connected. If I can open this. And also I'm gonna be painting it kind of rustic, so I'm not gonna be like completely saturating the wood. So let's do that. And then obviously we're gonna do more, but that's the first section.
was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you
Last step, and then we're done. Okay, now we need to finally add the hooks. I got these hooks on Amazon. I will link them down below. It comes with some, I don't remember how many. How dare you? 1, 2, 25 hooks. Okay. So I want to put these in a way that the cups go like this. I'm gonna like put the cups in there so I can like see, I guess. This is how I figure out stuff. I like talk to myself. I don't really want to do them like in the same spot everywhere because then I'll have to like make sure they're all even. Nobody got time for that. And you want to make sure that they're like, there's enough space in between that the cups will fit. I'm gonna do like 7 on the top and maybe, no, that's too many. I got too many. Ah, woo, woo, woo. Okay. I don't really want to put them over top of the words because I want to be able to see the words. So I can fit like 9. I think I want to try and do 2 on each side. Okay, so what I did 3, 6, 9 on the top, 11 on the bottom, and then 2 on the sides. And these hooks come with little screws, so that's nice. Let's get screwing.
Hindsight is fleeting, when your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red. Till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then, or what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you can't wait.
go. Here's my Wonderlust coffee mug holder with the coffee mugs that I have so far. I'm actually gonna put this on the wall, not here, but this is where I just did it for right now because I don't know where I want to put it. So I hope you guys liked this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Cup of Joe smack. Cup of coffee. Chocolate coffee smack. Pew, 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 pew. Cheers. Bye. It's too late for coffee. It's 12:51 a.m.